Don't touch it, Danny.
He should like that.
You don't want to scare him, honey.
Look at
Don't scare him, honey.
Oh, he doesn't like me.
No, it's not that he doesn't like you. He doesn't like the sudden movements. What do you think of our fishy? Can you say thanks, Uncle Dan, for our little fish, Uncle Dan?
I think he wants some more.
I think there's still some in there. He's probably afraid that, hey.
I smell that. What is that?
It's his food.
He's not eating the food.
He must be full.
Yeah. Yeah, he must be full. I'm gonna sit down.
Look, he's gonna go for that other one, I think.
I think he has blue.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, how is that good? Like he's going on the other side.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And now he's getting some more. He's looking for food.
Mm-hmm.
I think there's some up there, fishy. There's some up there. Up there, up there, up there. He doesn't see it. I don't know.